Now we just came in a really nice place. It's a beautiful cold water. It's a kind of river. I just want to show you. You see that? Amazing. It's very cold water. Very cold. You see? Usually on the weekends a lot of people coming here and they are sitting on those benches and they really enjoy. Idris, look at Idris. We are enjoying Turkish tea. Right, sitting right on the river. Isn't it good? Fantastic, isn't it? You know, I want to tell you something. I really don't want to get up from this table because I feel really good here. It's really so relaxing and chill out. And look at this. I mean, look at that. Look at this.
Kalecik, one of Midyat's hidden villages, offers a mesmerizing journey with its timeless stone, houses and breathtaking views over Mesopotamia. This small village is like an open-air museum, with ancient churches, quiet streets, and a lifestyle deeply intertwined with nature and Syriac culture. Like a forgotten tale, Kalecik quietly endures in the heart of Mesopotamia, waiting to be discovered.
Now we are in Midyat, and this is one of the oldest city in northern Mesopotamia. Now we are going to explore the town. Let's go. This street, it's shopping street actually. The old city is just behind those buildings in the end of the street. There are a lot of actually jewelry shops I can see. Gold, they are selling silver. Oh, this is actually, silver is very famous in this town. That's why you see a lot of silver shops. It's a beautiful coffee shop here, I just saw. In Midyat, wine is very famous, so they are making homemade wine, which is a lot of places. You can see so many places they are selling wine. Now we are in the old city of Midyat. Now we are going to explore the streets. Let's go. Some handmade stuff, traditional clothes, I think. On the top of that, it's cafe, right? There's a cafe on the top. It's really beautiful. Look at this. Look at the wall. Nedir bu?
Süryani çöreği.
Süryani?
Çöreği.
Çöreği.
İçinde hurma, dışı olmuş baharattan oluşuyor. Bir ayak kadar bunun ömrü var. Gevrek kaldı serpleşmez.
Bayağı güzelmiş.
Cihan abi oranın sabah kahvaltısı.
Gelenler nereden? Buradan mı alacak? Midyat, Beyaz Konak.
Tarihi Midyat Süryani çöreği. Tarihi Midyat Süryani çöreği.
Tarihi Midyat.
Şeften çağırdılar bilmedik.
It's very traditional cookies they are selling here. It's really nice. I like it. People are all taking photos here with this lady. I love this place. It's really beautiful. That's the palace we are going to go. It's one of the, I think, most popular one. Name of the palace is called Hercai Konak, and there is a cafe and restaurant inside. So if you come this city one day, just visit this place. This is like Syriac decoration at the wall, you can see, which is, you also see this, I saw this I think in the church, right? In the church, similar decoration and design. I'm really impressed in those streets those narrow streets, it's amazing. Oh, look at that. This is another palace. There are a lot of small shops, as you see, like really small boutique shops. They sell silvers, gifts, textile.
Mor Gabriel Monastery is a Syriac treasure rising 23 kilometers east of Midyat, built in the 4th century. These ancient walls have hosted prayers for 1,600 years as one of Christianity's oldest monasteries. Standing resilient in Mesopotamia's mystical aura, this structure is more than a place of worship. It's a living symbol of Syriac culture and a monument to history and tolerance.
Now we are in one of the shop. They are selling telkari silvers. I actually don't know what's telkari, but there is a man. I'm going to ask him. Hello, merhaba. Nasılsınız? Hoş bulduk. Telkari nedir? Bir anlatabilir misiniz bize?
Telkari tamamıyla Süryani kültüründen gelen bir şeydir bu.
Süryani.
Süryani kültüründen Mardin'e has bir sanattır. Gümüşü eritmekle ince telleri haline getirip bir el sanatı üründür. Şu anda Türkiye'mizde en çok popüler olan iller arasında el sanatı telkari var. Aynı şekilde burada gördüğünüz gibi Mardin hasırı var. Mardin hasırının özelliği de eskiden ninelerimiz, annelerimiz şu şekilde set halinde alıp onu gelinlerine, işte kızlarına bırakırlardı. Şu gördükleriniz de aynı şekilde urartu, mozaik ve savat. Bunlar Ermeni tasarımı.
Veysi Bey çok teşekkür ederim. If you guys come to Midyat, Urnus Telkari, that's the name of the shop. I definitely recommend it.
Şeyin ismini yazdım, şeyin ismini yazdım. Yani iş yerinin ismini buraya yazacaksın.
Idris, I loved this city, man. It's amazing. So authentic. Wow, it's great. So I'm going to go one more up on the stairs so we can have another better view actually. Look at the design of this building. People are sitting, enjoying the view. There is a church just over there, I can see. Actually, there are many churches here. There are a lot of different nationalities living in this town, especially, like they also live in Mardin. But Midyat, there are Syriac people, Christians mostly, and also some Kurdish people, Arabs. They also live in this town.
Valla yemeğe gitmeyeceğiz. Geç kaldık babam tek.
Midyat is a fairy tale that breathes through the soul of its stones. Its every corner hides millennial traces, transforming this land into not just a city, but a living history. As you leave, you carry not just Mesopotamia's magic, but a piece of it within you. If Midyat's magic has captivated you too, don't forget to subscribe and leave A to support our channel. Until we meet again at Mesopotamia's next mysterious destination.